Are you ready to take your IT skills to the next level? Welcome to Red Hat OpenShift Development, Introduction to Containers with Podman, where we empower you to excel in the rapidly evolving world of technology. By passing this test, you will become a Red Hat certified specialist in containers. Let's meet our trainer, 𝗪𝗪𝗏, who are expert level and completely up to date in the subjects they teach because they continue to spend time working on real-world industry applications. 𝗪𝗪𝗏 has more than 10+ years of experience in Linux and related technologies, has experienced on multiple real-time industries-related projects. He trained more than 10,000+ students in a year. He's certified professionals with high grade having strong theoretical and practical knowledge. With this kinds of expertise which 𝗪𝗪𝗏 has, let's see what we're going to learn in this course. Join Red Hat OpenShift Development today and unlock a world of possibilities.